All right. Well, welcome back. This is my first of many tutorials here on using my friend here, the agent, inside of Minecraft Education Edition. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit C. And what this will bring, this here is, and I'll kind of just go back out to it a little bit. When you hit the C, you're able to get the different tutorials here that are embedded inside a code builder. If I went to new project, I could kind of make my own thing, and that's my goal down the road, to try some things. But we're going to go through these tutorials. So we're going to do the chicken reign first, and click on Start Tutorial. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to download it. But basically what this is, it's integrating a code builder right inside of Minecraft Education Edition. And whatever I build inside the code builder, I'll eventually give it to my agent, and my agent will execute whatever code that I give. So it's starting up the tutorial here right away, and this is called Chicken Rain. So that looks like fun. Let's make it rain chickens. All right, here we go. Okay. So the first thing that, again, comes up here is, oh, we did that one already. Again, we'll probably make some mistakes along our way. It says rename on chat command to chicken. All right, so if you can see, it's in blue, and that's what I like about code block coding, is that they color code a lot of things to help you kind of figure out what commands are, like the if-then statement or loops, or those type of things. So I think that's really good. So we're gonna go here. All right, and thank you for that. And we're gonna type in chicken. Chicken. All right, so we did that first one, and it's nice. It's step by step, and we'll see what the next part is. We'll go into that. So it's nice. These tutorials, they take you step by step. So we're gonna place a spawn block into the chicken egg position. So you can see that's purple there. So that would go with the mobs. So I'm gonna go into mobs here, and I'm going to spawn an animal. Well, the animal, it tells me is a chicken. So when I click on that, when I click on this, it gives me different eggs. Oh, there's chickens right off the bat. Perfect. Okay, and then it's looking at my coordinates, right, relative to the 3D position of the player. That looks good. So I think I've accomplished that. Now you can see here I put it on start, but it actually says the blocks on command chat. So I got to click here and drag this piece of code and put it in the on chat command. All right, that looks good so far. I'm gonna go to my next step here. Now it says change the spawn position to 10 blocks above your players. So the second number basically would be, and this is a really good math lesson too, it would be like your Y value, and I have to go into here, right, and I'm gonna change that to 10. All right. Drag that out a little bit so we can see it a little bit easier, and go into this and type in 10. All right, what's the next thing that we're doing here? Let's check this out. It says go to Minecraft and press T to open the chat and enter chicken. You should see a flying chicken. All right, so we're gonna go into Minecraft here, and I'm gonna hit T and hit enter, and let's see now that. Okay, so that happens. I go /T. I'm going to try that. That didn't happen. And again, that's the part of this. So I'm going to try something that my students told me. This world builder is really good. A little piece of thing to do. So now it's updated to true. So now let's see what happens when I hit T. Okay, go T and hit enter. And it just said /T. I don't think that worked quite yet. You can see there's no chicken. So I'm going to go back and hit / this time. And notice on my code, so I go /T, and oh, I don't have permission to use that. So I'm going to go back into the code and see, okay, go to Minecraft and press T to open a chat. Oh, well, you can see the mistake I made there. I should have typed in the word chicken. So let's go in there, and that's part of the learning thing. So T gives me the talk, and now I'm going to go into here, and I'm going to type in chicken. And did that give me a chicken? Oh, whoa, hang on. Hey, how you doing there, Mr. Chicken? Nice. All right, that was I was not even chicken of that. All right, so my code worked. Yay. All right, well, what else can we do with that? Maybe we'll have some KFC later. All right, so I'm gonna go back into my code here, and I did see a flying chicken. He landed right on my head, so that was cool. So let's go. The chicken is lonely. Well, yeah, no doubt, right? So, oh, okay, repeat. Repeat is green. We're gonna go to the loops here, and oh, we're gonna repeat. And I have to put this around the spawn block. Okay, so you can see how it hooks in together. And I think of block coding basically as you're kind of writing like a paragraph, right? It has to make sense. You got to do it in step-by-step order, which is computational thinking. And that's really cool. So now, oh wow, it's telling me 100 chickens, really? Oh wow, okay, here we go. 100 times. I'm gonna see how many chickens this will be. So we're going here. Whoa, I've done my first mod. Booyah. All right, let's finish. All right, and I'm leaving the tutorial, so I guess, let's see if that worked or not. Let's go back into here. Remember, I learned my lesson the first time. I have to hit T to open up the chat and commands. And let's see what happens. Instead of raining cats and dogs, it's going to rain. As we go. Oh, where are they? Where are they? Are they coming? I'm scared. Did I do something wrong? Let's try that again. Oh, maybe I needed the slash. I don't think I had the slash in the first time. Let's go chicken. Oh, what happened? Oh, I must have made a mistake somewhere. Okay, so let's go chicken and see what happens. Exit. Alright, well, this is something about debugging. Oh, there's my agent still. Thought it was going to rain all over me. Don't see that happening right now. Okay, so let's bring out the code. And it looks like chicken is there. That's maybe play on this. Oh, maybe. Oh, game room. Okay, so let's see. Maybe they were raining somewhere else. I'm gonna go T and type in chicken. Oh no! Ah, there we go. All right. Oh, I'm getting bombarded with chickens. The humanity. I don't know if it might be dating myself, but if you ever watched WKRP, as God is my witness, I thought chickens could fly. If you don't get that reference, look up WKRP. For those of you who do, I guess we're old together. But hey, right on. So there, we did our first code. Again, we had a little bit of errors, but that's what's going to happen in coding. And even though I didn't really plan on for that to happen, I'm glad it did in a lot of ways. It's to show that, you know, you just got to keep on trucking with this. Wow. Oh, one thing I did learn before, and I can use this. There's a lot of chickens all over the place. If I go slash, and sorry, chicken lovers, but if I go slash kill, and I'm going to go at, and I'm going to go, I'll go close, I'll go, well, I don't, well, we'll do this. We'll go E. Sorry, everybody. There you go. Oh my, the humanity. Bye, chickens. There's chickens everywhere. Where's Colonel Sanders when you need him? Oh, okay. So hopefully that taught you a little bit. Oh, I lost my agent, but I can bring him back by hitting C. And there he is back on top. So that was kind of a fun tutorial. We did it. We figured out this code. Oh, one really cool thing that I know that you can see here, the puzzle piece gives you the block coding. But this is what I was talking before. When you get good at block coding, you can actually go inside and check underneath the hood and see the JavaScript behind the block coding. So again, once you get good at the coding, you can see here, this is the actual code that's taking place, which I think is really cool. So yeah, that's our first tutorial. Hope you like it. Looking forward to doing more. And yeah, thanks and have a good day.